Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix ISDone.dynamic library error when you try to install a large game like a GTA 5. So let's start here. The ISDone.dynamic link library error and also an arc a dynamic link library error in Windows 11 or 10 is mostly related to the installation of PC games as well as program of large size. Large game or program have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive. If your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So you can try to stop your installing the game. Now you need to increase your Windows page file or virtual memory. So in order to do that, you can hold Windows key on your keyboard and R key. Here you can run sysdm.cpl. You can click OK. Now you can click on Advanced Settings. Again, Advanced and change virtual memory. Untick the box. Here you can custom size. Click this circle. To fill this blank, like initial size, maximum size, you need to learn first your RAM on your laptop or RAM on your PC. So here for most games 2.5 GB is enough, so the value which will work in most cases is 403,000. Note that the files are in megabytes, so this set the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 GB. Here recommended on my PC 2.6 of 2.7 gigabyte, and currently I located 2.1 gigabyte. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.